Today I'm going to show you how to cook some chicken in the crock pot. Me and the wife make this quite a bit. It's called Mississippi chicken. It's a little spicy, it's really juicy, and it's great on a lot of stuff. So let's get started. In order to make it, you only need a few ingredients. One is a crock pot. Then you need one McCormick Au Jous packet, one Hidden Valley Ranch packet, pepper. You're going to need 8 to 10 pepperoncinis, plus half a cup of the juice of the pepperoncinis. You're going to need 2 to 3 pounds of boneless chicken breast. This is just under 3 pounds, what you see in front of me here. And then when we finish it off, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. So I'm going to get what I need prepped a little bit. I'm going to bring you back once we get things going into the crock pot. First thing you're going to want to do, half a cup of the pepperoncini juice. You're going to want to take your Au Jous packet. All that goes in there. Then you take your ranch packet. Open that up and all of that goes in there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, turn your crock pot on high. Set it for an hour and a half. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Maybe a little bit more. And then we just gotta give this a little mix together. So it should kind of look something like this. Could have probably used something better than a fork, but just kind of mix all that in there so you don't really see any dry spots. Take your chicken. You're going to set your chicken in here at the bottom. All right. Then you're going to take your pepperoncinis and just kind of throw them around the side of the chicken. All that extra juice. And now you put the cover on it, which will bring you in here. And that's what it should look like. Then you put the cover on it and we wait. Well, while the chicken's going in the crock pot, I'm going to put together a little sauce for the soft tacos that I'm going to make. It's going to be kind of like a aioli. That's what we're doing, by the way. We're going to make soft tacos with it. So what you're going to want to do is get yourself some Daisy sour cream. Maybe 2 tablespoons of that. Take you some Duke's mayonnaise. About a tablespoon of that. It's a Moroccan red pepper sauce. This stuff's pretty good. It's pretty spicy, so we don't need to add any pepper. All right, probably about half a teaspoon. Put that in there, maybe a little bit more. And then we're gonna do some garlic. Get that in the press. Get that in it. Take that. That'll be the spoon that we use to mix it all together, and then some salt. A little bit of sea salt. And just kind of mix that together. Now this is going to be spiced on top of spice, but it's going to be like a creamy, garlicky spice. So you can put in as little or as much as you want. What I will tell you is don't add any pepper to this. So it should kind of look something like that. Give this a try. So you want to kind of make this ahead of time so you can get this in the fridge. It's pretty good. You don't want to make it too spicy. You still want a little bit of the sour cream to come through because you want it to be cooling for the chicken. So yeah, we're going to get that wrapped, get that in the fridge. I've also got a tomato I'm going to get cut up. I got some lettuce that I'm going to slice up nice. And once the chicken is ready, we'll bring it back. I'll show you how to get that shredded and get that finished up with the mayonnaise. And then we will put the tacos together. The chicken's done. We brought that up to temp. We got that in our mixer and we got our shredder attachment. If you want to use one of those little newfangled things you can. If you want to do it by hand, if you want to use a couple forks, you can do that too. I happen to do it this way with the mixer. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on to get that shredded up a little bit. And we are gonna get these peppers chopped up. All right, so now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take your peppers and you wanna slice these up nice. Now they're hot, so be careful. I'm actually probably gonna switch to using a pair of tongs here in a second. Now, if you want them to be, if you want to be able to pick them out so it's not quite so spicy, then don't chop them up very small. Just kind of, just do a quick little chop. If you're not a big fan of spice, you just want the flavor, then I would probably just pull these out. Okay, now what you're going to want to do once you get all your peppers chopped up is you want to put in a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise into the gravy mixture. And then just kind of give this a good mix to get all the peppers strewn about. Get your mayonnaise incorporated into it. Right, after you get your mayonnaise mixed in, it should kind of look something like that. Then we are going to get our shredded chicken and we're going to add that back into the crock pot. Get this put back in here. This mixed into the gravy mixture we just made. Now at this point you want to make sure your crock pot is warm because you don't want it to burn. You want to keep this all nice and warm while you get your tortillas ready. Now got that all incorporated, we are going to bring you back once we are ready to get our tacos going. Our Mission Zero net carb, these are actually pretty good shells. We got our shells grilled up. We do that on the burner on the stove, so let's get these together. So do a little smear of the garlic aioli that we just made a disaster out of. My Gouda cheese, put a little bit of that on there so it sticks because we don't want that coming off of there. Then we do our Mississippi chicken. Now, this chicken you don't have to eat on a tortilla shell. I mean, if you want to make a wrap out of it, you can. We actually eat it just like this in a bowl, and it's pretty dang good. Then just a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of tomato. All right, there's one. For the next one, again, a little bit of the garlic aioli that I made. A little bit more of the cheese right in there so it sticks and doesn't fall off. I think this one will make sure we get nice little pepperoncini pepper in there. It's like I said, we like it spicy, so a little bit of lettuce. A little bit of tomato. And there you go. That is a Mississippi chicken taco. And it's pretty dang good with a garlic aioli. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. Yeah. That's delicious. I hope you give this a try. It's really good, really simple to make. I appreciate you watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, never trust a skinny cook.